everyone. So in the previous video we have seen that about the Cartesian plane, that these are the two lines, that is one horizontal line and one vertical line. So these lines are called as a number line and both intersect at one point, that is called as origin, whose coordinate is 0 0. So this is also called as a Cartesian coordinate system or XY plane. Now today we will learn that how to plot a point. So basically plotting of a point in the Cartesian plane can be compared to some extent with the drawing of graph, and in different situation we might have observed that a distance time graph, that side perimeter graph, and which have a common across in earlier classes. So with the help of this graph we can show the utilization of this graph in this in the other field, that is especially in the science, that is distance time graph, then speed perimeter graph, then velocity time graph. Then so these are some of the use of this graph. Now let's see that how we can plot the point in this plane, XY plane. So our first point is -2 4. -2 4 is the first point. So -2 represent x coordinate, this represent the x coordinate, and this represent the y coordinate. So accordingly we will take this coordinate and we'll try to plot this. So x equal to -2, you can see the x equal to -2 is on the left side of the line here, and y equal to 4. Y equal to 4, that means in positive, so it will be here. So this will be the position of this. So this is the point of -2 and 4. The next point is 3 minus 1. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. X equal to 3 here is the positive x, and y equal to -1 in the negative. So this will be the point. This is another point. The next coordinate is -1 and 0. X equal to -1 and y equal to 0. X equal to -1 in the negative direction, that is here, and y equal to 0, that means no any vertical movement, so the point is here. The next point is 1 2. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. X equal to 1 is here and y equal to 2 is here, so the point will be here. So this is the point. And the last point is -3 and -5. X equal to -3 and y equal to -5. So -3 and -5 will be here. So this is the last one. Now we are having 5 points, and all the 5 points we have plotted here. Let's write the coordinate here. So the coordinate of the first point is -2 4. So this is -2 4. The coordinate of the second point, that is 3 -1. So this is 3 -1. And -1 0. This is -1 and 0. Then 1 2. This is 1 2, -3 -5. Now we have plotted the 5 point. Now let's see that which coordinate is there in which quadrant. So basically this is the first quadrant where both the x and y positive. This is the second quadrant where x is negative, y is positive. This is the third quadrant where both are negative, and this is the fourth quadrant where x is positive and y is negative. Now here you can see that x, y both are positive here. X is negative, y is positive. Both are negative in the third quadrant, and this positive, and y is negative here. Now this point, that is -1 and 0, this is not in any quadrant. Remember one thing, that whenever a point is on the line, so this point will be counted, that this point will be on the line. It will not be counted in any of the quadrant. That means this -1 0 will not be counted in second quadrant or third quadrant. Similarly, in this way we can plot the point. Thank you so much.